Look at you stack those. Where'd the other ones go? I think there's one right there. Danny. Right there, look. Right there. Oh, that's not going to work. You need the orange one. You're so smart. Grab the orange one. Good job. Bring that over. Where are you going? Oh, you are. Good job. Yay. Grab the orange one. Where's the yellow one? Oh, it's back here, baby. Danny. There it is. Good job.
Too much. Whatever you're doing, stop it right now.
She's not crying.
Yay! Danny, look. Danny. Yay! Okay, knock it down.